Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter in Wix. First, head over to your Wix website dashboard. Once you're in, click on Marketing from the left-hand panel, then select Email Marketing. Here you'll see a variety of newsletter templates to choose from, or you can start from scratch. For this tutorial, I'll go ahead and pick a template. Once you're inside the editor, you can click on any text to customize it, change the wording, update the font, or adjust the layout. You can also click on images to replace them or modify their design. The buttons are fully editable too. You can change the button text and link it to any URL you want. Scroll down to the footer section. You can choose which details to show and even add your social media links. Now, head over to Theme tab to choose a style that fits your brand. And in the background section, you can customize the look and feel of your email by selecting a background image or color. Once everything looks good, click on Next. Now it's time to add your recipients. You can choose from your contacts or select a target group. You can also filter by segments, labels, or individual contacts. Click Next again, and you'll be able to edit your email subject line. Here you can also manage the sender details, confirm your sender email address, and also review your recipient list one last time. Once you're ready, just hit send now. And that's it. Your newsletter is now ready and on its way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.